What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you had an absolutely stupendous weekend. We're getting over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.039, up 4.5 on the day. Same market cap of 267 million, 24-hour volume 176 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, grab up to 8K in bonuses or buy bit up to 30K in bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit. Full tutorials in the description. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, posting trade signals, and all types of goodies completely for free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Let's hop into Gala Games. So a couple scenarios I'm looking at for Gala. What we're looking at here is an A wave down. There's your wave B pullback, looking to come down in a wave C. Now we have seen a significant bounce here. So what you may be looking at is this was the completion of the wave 1. This was actually a wave 4, and now you've come down in a wave 5, and you're looking to pull back in a wave 2 of the wave C. So the minimum target is 0.040. But the usual targets in between the 0.5 to 786 at 0.042 and 0.048. So basically you come up in a wave 2 and then you come down in a 3, 4, 5 to complete that wave C. Now what the bulls are going to be looking at is that this ABC correction is complete. We just broke the minimum target for a wave 2, so it is possible. Usually the wave 2 comes down in between the 0.5 to 0.786, but we have met the minimum target. And a wave C does often retrace when it's a wave 2 pullback. It does often retrace to the wave 4 support or just below it, and that's exactly what we've done here. So what the bulls will be looking at is that there's your wave 2, and then you're going to break up in a 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to quickly change the color as well as the size of this impulse. Now, in my opinion, Gala would have to move against Bitcoin for this to play out, because I don't think that Bitcoin's wave 2 is in. It hasn't even met the minimum target. It's only at the 0.236 extension, and the minimum target for a wave 2 is 38.2, and that's 21K for BTC. However, if Gala were to move against Bitcoin and just break out, pump to the upsides, similar to what Matic did from 30 cents, then you can give a wave 3 target from the wave 1 low to the top to the bottom of the wave 2. If this were to be the bottom of, obviously no promises, then your wave 3 target would be all the way up at 31 cents, which would just be an absolutely explosive push to the upside. Now, we've just printed the bearish cross of the 20 over the 55, so it's very probable that we're just coming up to retest these EMAs. We get rejected, we come lower and come down to that 2-cent range. For the price of Gala Games, in between 2 and about 2.5, and that would take you down to the normal retracement zone in between 0.021 and 0.031 for Gala. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Confirmation that the wave 2 is complete would be a break above the 786 at 0.048. If you break above that, and especially if you can break that previous high, that's strong confirmation that the wave 2 is in and you're going to explode in the wave 3. But until then, I think there's a good chance that we push up into this yellow box or to the minimum target. We retest the EMAs on the daily, which are currently sitting at 0.042. It lines up with this target zone, and then see continuation to the downside. But we'll have to see how everything plays out. All right, gang. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, posting trade signals, all types of goodies at the $10 membership. Early access to my analysis trade signals. Currently, we're short Bitcoin and Ethereum from basically the tops. Already locked in some juicy gains. Moved the stop losses into profits. Crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here as well. And Mahado all plays. All of that is coming in at 10 USD per month. Doesn't want to load for me, and everything else is completely free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.